Hi. One of the key risks that audit committee wants a comfort on is how the company is managing its pricing risk. It could be vendor price or it could be customer price. And as auditors, we would need to get that comfort. And to analyze the data is nothing short of looking for a needle in a haystack. And we will try to see some analysis that we can do to assess this risk. This is part 1, and you can look out for more such insights. As always, you will be given an Excel template which can be downloaded in the link that will be provided in the video, and there will be certain fields that needs to be updated, and these are like basic data which you would be able to find in any purchase or sales related data. And there will be steps which you can do to ensure that the data that you have updated is linked to this particular Power BI dashboard. In terms of analysis, there are two analyses that are being explained in this, which can be used. One is basically a table that would give the material wise, party wise, what is the total order, what is the total order value, and what has been the minimum rate, maximum rate, and what is the difference. It can be filtered for the order date field, basically which could be your audit period. If you want to analyze for a particular period, this can be changed, and the data can be sorted to ensure that you can select. Let me do a quick thing. Yes. So the difference value can be sorted. Please note that this is the difference in rate, and once we sort this, we will know what is the minimum and the maximum rate. Obviously, in this particular case, let's take the case of material 34. It does seem very odd that we are having this material rate. The underlying base data is obviously made up numbers, but this is in line with some of the data that I have seen before. But the data, material codes, party details, the unit of measurement, everything is kind of random numbers, but it would make business sense. So let's say that this material 34 is something that is interesting because I can see quite a bit of value and want to analyze it further. So you can basically use this as a filter, and let's say that you want to analyze this particular material a bit more. So this the first table is giving you an idea as to where the top risks are in terms of which material that you would want to analyze more, because we can see that there are 16 unique orders. And there is a huge difference in the rate. So we are clear that we want to analyze this particular material. Now let's go to the next table, which is the price trend. You can see that the date is already filtered for what the date that you have selected there. You just need to select the material that you are looking at, and this table will give you the overall trend. So I have data of from 2022 and 2023. This is giving me all the line item details of the differences, and I can also see the yearly trend. I can see here there are 3 data points that are available. This data points that you are seeing is split by the year, and it is giving me the average rate for that particular month. And it has the maximum rate, minimum rate, and the average rate. So this will give you an idea as to where is the maximum numbers that we are looking at, and it will help you identify the outlier which you want to analyze further. Let's say that this particular rate is obviously high, 2023 March. So if I click on that, it will obviously be filtering for that particular line item. You also have the order reference, you also have the material ID and the date, which you can further discuss with the process owners to identify why is it that it is happening. As always, you can just click on press control. You can press control and click for all the data to be unfiltered, and you can go back and probably do for a different material group. You want to understand what is the difference that we are looking at, and let's say this particular material ID which are having 8 orders is showing a bit of variation, and we are going back to this. Let us filter for this and try to see what is it that we are looking at. So we can see that generally it is around 6726, and you can sort the data here and understand why this is more or less. So these are the outliers that you want to discuss. You can, as always, export the data into Excel, this particular data, or even this particular data can be exported to Excel, and you can press clear all to clear all the data. So this is part 1 of the analysis that we can do with the data points that we have for rate per unit. Be very clear that the Excel file that you are entering, that you are updating, would form the basis of this output. So it's like garbage in, garbage out. So you would need to ensure that the data what you are entering is accurate and is making sense. With this, you would be able to analyze the key risks that are coming out in the price fluctuations. Hope you would find this useful. Thank you.